The following course descriptions are upper-level undergraduate courses in the Human Services Department that are not part of a concentration area at Purdue Global. HN 300, Human Services and Social Policy. Students will analyze historical, social, cultural, and political factors that impact the human services profession and frame social justice issues. In addition, students will explore the various systems that impact the profession and policy initiatives that affect social change and advocacy. Multiple topics are discussed, including the historical roots of the profession, how current issues impact the field, the specific needs of a variety of populations, theoretical frameworks, what skills are needed at the micro, meso, and macro levels, the development and implementation of policy as well as policy evaluation. In addition, careers in the field are discussed. HN 330, Case Management. Through the use of case studies, students in this course will assess client needs and determine the types of data necessary to ensure the ethical delivery of services. Students will also practice essential interviewing skills and explore best practices in recording data from these interviews. Topics include the history and evolution of case management, systems theory, cultural competence, ethics, problem ownership, effective communication, the assessment process, how to complete a social history, the stages of change model, creating a treatment plan, and transition and termination plans. HN 410, Human Services Delivery. Students in this course will focus on strategic approaches for evaluating the effectiveness of program planning through services delivered to clients. Topics will include theoretical models and frameworks in human services delivery, intervention strategies, and how to interpret qualitative and quantitative data. Other topics include advocacy, ethical and legal responsibilities, and the importance of collaboration with other service providers. HN 450, Legal and Ethical Issues in Human Services. Students in this course will distinguish between the legal and ethical issues faced by the human service professional in a global society. Through activities and case studies, students will create solutions that adhere to legal and ethical guidelines in human services. Additional topics include cultural competence, NOHS ethical standards, the state and federal laws that impact the human services profession, and ethical decision-making models. HN 499, the Bachelor's Capstone for Human Services. This course builds on the concepts of all of the courses students have taken within the Human Services Bachelor's program. The capstone course provides students with the opportunity to integrate the knowledge and skills acquired throughout their coursework. Topics include self-awareness, personal values, cultural competence and bias, the importance of building relationships and coordinating services, trauma, crisis intervention, community organizing, and advocacy. Students will also review resources that will assist them in searching for their first position once they graduate, including creating an e-portfolio that they can take with them. Students will also explore opportunities for continued education.